Hello friends, welcome to my channel. The Woodcock and the Fox. A woodcock sat in a tree. A fox saw him. He wanted to eat the woodcock. The fox came to the foot of the tree. He said, "Dear woodcock, what a lovely voice you have." "Thank you," said the woodcock. The fox went on, "Come closer. I won't hurt you. A new rule has been made in this country. It says that there must be peace everywhere. In future, animals will not kill one another." "Good," said the woodcock. "I'm glad to hear that. Some hunting dogs are coming this way, but this new rule has been made so they won't hurt you." But of course the fox was scared to death. He ran away as fast as he could. Please like and subscribe my channel. Visit my website komalahirrao.com. Thanks for watching.